Math in a Modern World.
Hi, good day. My name is Moshi Lowell P. Villegas, and I'm first year college from the course of BSHM in Cartimar branch. I'm from group 2, and our topic is math for prediction about earthquake, Philippine earthquake. Example na lang po dito pag yung alimbawa yung bulkan ay nagkaroon po ng volcanic eruption, lalabas po yung lava doon tapos pagsasanhi po yun ng earthquake. Halimbawa sa Taal volcano, pag nagbuga na po siya ng lava, doon na po magkaroon ng bagyanig sa buong mundo sa Pilipinas. Okay, kaya po namin napili yun kasi para ma-evaluate namin at maturo sa inyo ang dark cover and hold ng ganyan. Math for prediction about earthquake kasi mayroon mo mag-predict ang earthquake. Pero ngayon, natutulungan na po tayo ng National Disaster Risk Management para ma-predict ang earthquake. Ang pinakamalakas na po na earthquake sa Pilipinas ay naturingan sa Mindanao na 7.6 magnitude. Ay nasira po nito ang 3,000 na casualties at marami pang mga bahay at ari-arian, buildings sa Mindanao. At pwede pong itong mauulit over 30 years or 3 decades.
Hi, good day. I'm Elma Cagas. We talk about now mathematics of prediction. Prediction is the basis for all decision making, and it's particularly important for engineer and especially engineers design. Mathematics of prediction provide a framework for thinking rationally, that is, in a way that is entirely self-consistent. About the future, those days, mathematics provide a framework for giving the most out of evidence. History's most successful mathematical prediction, American theoretical physicist Julian Swinger, when Sir James Jeans proclaimed God is a pure mathematician, he was referring to the fact that most basic processes of nature obey elegant mathematical relationships. Science is so successful because theorists can use mathematics to make a prediction experimenters can test. Mathematics has been used to predict the existence of the planet, radio waves, antimatter, neutrinos, black holes, gravitational waves, and the Higgs boson, to give but few examples. When we say prediction, we are not speaking about guessing, because guessing is a haphazard way of trying to search for an answer.
So, hi, my name is Ralph Matthew Egan, BSHM 1A Cartimar, Group 2. And ito po yung napunta sa aking topic. This is the formula for comparing two earthquakes. Magnitude 2 minus magnitude 1 is equal to log parenthesis intensity 2 over intensity 1 parenthesis. We can calculate the magnitude of an earthquake using the following equation. Magnitude equals log parenthesis intensity over arbitrary intensity. Here's the variables represent. M, the magnitude of the earthquake. I, the amplitude of the seismic wave or the intensity. In, the arbitrary amplitude or the arbitrary intensity. Relating to earthquakes. Many problems will require to relate information of two earthquakes or use information of one to find another. Suppose we have earthquake 1 and earthquake 2. Let's start by writing their equation. Earthquake 1. Magnitude 1 equals to log parenthesis intensity 1 over arbitrary intensity parenthesis. Earthquake 2, magnitude 2 equals log parenthesis intensity 2 over arbitrary intensity parenthesis. Spot anything they have in common. Well, they have both the same arbitrary intensity. We can rewrite each equation in terms of arbitrary intensity and set them equal to one another. To what? Magnitude equals log parenthesis intensity over arbitrary intensity parenthesis. Magnitude equals log parenthesis intensity parenthesis equals minus log parenthesis arbitrary intensity parenthesis. Log parenthesis arbitrary parenthesis plus magnitude equals log parenthesis intensity. Log parenthesis in parenthesis equals log parenthesis intensity minus magnitude. 10 log parenthesis in parenthesis equals to 10 log parenthesis intensity minus magnitude. In equals to 10 log parenthesis intensity minus magnitude. Using earthquake 1 and 2, we get earthquake 1 in or intensity or arbitrary intensity is equal to 10 log parenthesis intensity 1 parenthesis minus magnitude 1. Earthquake 2 in is equal to 10 log parenthesis intensity 2 parenthesis minus magnitude 2. Now set them equal to one another. 10 log parenthesis intensity 1 minus magnitude 1 is equal to 10 log parenthesis intensity 2 minus magnitude 2. Log parenthesis intensity 1 minus magnitude 1 is equal to log parenthesis intensity 2 minus magnitude 2. Magnitude 2 plus log parenthesis intensity 1 minus magnitude 1 is equal to log parenthesis intensity 2. Magnitude 2 minus magnitude 1 is equal to log parenthesis intensity 2 minus log parenthesis intensity 1. Magnitude 2 minus magnitude 1 is equal to log parenthesis intensity 2 over intensity 1 parenthesis.
Hello everyone, my name is Marilyn Tagab and I am from BSHM 1A Cartimar. So, using this equation, we can answer pretty much any question an earthquake shake at us. Finding the magnitude. The first style of problem you might encounter is finding the magnitude of an earthquake. Given a second earthquake intensity, for example, earthquake A registered 7.0 on the Richter scale. So, earthquake B was 3 times stronger than earthquake A. So, what did earthquake B register on the Richter scale? Let's fill in the information we know into the equation above. We know that M sub A is equal to 7.0 and also we know that I sub B is equal to 3I sub A because it was 3 times more intense. So, M sub B minus M sub A equals log of I sub B over I sub A. Then, M sub B minus 7 equals log of 3 I sub A over I sub A. M sub B equals log of 3 plus 7. Then, M sub B is approximately equal to 7.5. So, earthquake B will register around at 7.5 on the Richter scale. And then the next question is how much larger? The other kind of problem you might run into are finding out how much larger one earthquake is compared to another. Earthquake A measured a 7.0 on the Richter scale and earthquake B registered 6.0. So how much more intense was earthquake A? Let's fill in the information we know into the equation. M sub b minus m sub a equals log of I sub b over I sub a. So 6 minus 7 equals log of I sub b over I sub a. Minus 1 equals log of I sub b over I sub a. And then 10 to the power of negative 1 equals 10 to the power of log of I sub b over I sub a. And then 1 over 10 equals I sub b over I sub a. Then, so I sub a is equals to 10 I sub b. So the answer is earthquake A is 10 times more intense than earthquake B.
Everyone, I'm John Rob Castales, BSHM, Cartimar. I'm from Group 2. People also ask, what was the strongest earthquake in the Philippines? The strongest earthquake in the Philippines is the Moro Gulf earthquake in 1976. With a 7.9 magnitude and almost 3,000 casualties, this Mindanao earthquake is officially the strongest and deadliest earthquake in the Philippines history. What mathematical tool can be used in phenomenon in the world? Predicting the size, location, and timing of natural hazard is virtually impossible. But now, Earth scientists are able to forecast hurricanes, floods, earthquake, volcanic eruption, wildfire, and landslide using fractals. And also, here is the formula for calculating production. Substitution the line's slope and intercept as m and c in the equation y equal mx plus c. With this example, this product, the equation y equals 0.667 x plus 10.33. This equation predicts the y value of any point in the plot from x value. Why mathematical prediction is important? Research has shown that prediction has a potential to promote the teaching and learning of mathematics because it can be used to enhance students' thinking and reasoning at all grade levels in various topics.
And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learn about math for prediction about earthquake. Bye!